Unlocking the mystery. Common verbs in causative passive voice. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into an intriguing part of English grammar, causative passive voice. Specifically, we'll focus on common verbs used in the causative passive voice. Don't worry if it sounds complex, we'll break it down step by step. The causative passive voice is a form that allows us to show that someone or something caused an action to happen to someone else, but the person who actually did the action is not important or known. For instance, instead of saying, John asked a mechanic to repair the car, we can say, John had the car repaired. Now that we have this basic understanding, let's jump to the common verbs used in this form. Three main verbs are commonly used in the causative passive voice: have, get, and make. Have. We use have when someone organizes for someone else to do something. For example, I had my hair cut. Get. Get is less formal than have, but used in a similar way. For example, I got my car washed. Make. Make is used when someone forces or requires another person to do something. For example, he made his shoes polished. However, be careful as make is not usually used in the passive form in this way in contemporary English. Please remember these verbs, as they are the cornerstone of using the causative passive voice. Now that we know the common verbs, let's see how we use them in sentences. 1. Have. She had the house cleaned. Here, she arranged for someone else to clean the house. 2. Get. I got my report checked. In this case, I arranged for someone to check my report. 3. Make. The manager made the documents prepared. This is less common in modern English, but the manager is requiring the preparation of the documents. And that's it, folks. We've successfully tackled the common verbs used in the causative passive voice. With have, get, and make, you're now well equipped to form your own causative passive voice sentences. Keep practicing, and you'll master this in no time. See you in our next English grammar adventure.